Woo! Today I'm having a date with the Colonel. Yeah, I got KFC, and I got the original recipe too. Nice and sloppy chicken. I also got some of their mashed potatoes and gravy, and I got these new seasoned fries. They're like crispy seasoned fries. Not very crispy, but they've got like a little crust on them. Got like a little extra crust. I'm gonna dip that in my gravy. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Let's see. I'm gonna do it like this too. Mmm. Yum. Ooh-wee. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Mmm. Oh, so pretty. Mmm. Mmm. Oh man. Mmm. 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 Man, I love chicken. Mmm. Finger licking good, huh? Mmm. And over here I have the coldest water bottle. If you guys want one, the link is in the description. 10% off your whole order with coupon code CANDY. And there is a giveaway. Yeah, people ask all the time, you know, does anybody actually win the giveaway? But they have a list. They put out a list. So I'll link that down below somewhere, so y'all can see who's winning. But yeah, if you want to, try your hand at that and see if you can get a free one. Mmm. 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 That chicken's juicy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, because I have it. Mmm. 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 Oh man. Mmm. 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 And over here, got a shake from Jack in the Box. Strawberry. Mmm. 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 Just because. Come here, you. Mm. Yes. Mm. 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 Oh, that's so good. Mm. 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 I hope you guys are doing well. Mm. Doing okay here. Kind of. I wouldn't say depressed. Just kind of out of it lately. My doc put me on some new medication to help me sleep, and it's like draining the life out of me. So I honestly don't think it's worth it, because even though I'm getting more sleep, I don't feel rested. Mm. 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 Ooh. So yeah, I'm kind of blah lately. Mm. Yeah. But, you know, it is what it is. Mm. I'm basically live my life one day at a time anyway. Take the good days with the bad days. And know that it gets better eventually. Oh. Man. Oh, that's good chicken. Gravy. I mentioned a few videos back that my roomie and I started watching Love Island UK, and because at the time it was all that they had was season 6, we watched that first. But honey, we went back and watched season 1 when they loaded all the seasons on there, just however that works. Hulu's weird, y'all. But I don't think we're like halfway through it yet, but it's crazy, y'all. To be honest, I don't know how they got more seasons, because it was just nuts. You can kind of see the difference, like between the first season and season 6, how the show kind of evolved. Lots of stuff changed, you know. Susan, she kind of said it all. She was like, you know how Jerry Springer started out being kind of a decent talk show. It was like no real drama going on, and it was like very subdued. And then eventually it devolved into just a circus. You know, people get crazy, everybody's got to fight each other and stuff. And it's just nuts. And the Love Island show seems to be just the opposite. It starts out as kind of a circus and improves over time. I mean, not to mention the Australia one that we started watching to begin with. You know, it was very well put together, I have to say. But either way, it's an enjoyable show. You know, whether they're crazy or not. It's, you know, kind of like the reason some of you people watch me. It's kind of like a train wreck. You can't look away. That's how we're feeling about season 1 of Love Island. She asked me. She was like, you just want to skip this season and go on? And I was like, no, now I got to see what happens. Man, I have to appreciate that they have subtitles too. I mean, we tend to watch with closed captioning anyway. But some of the accents, to me, I guess, are so thick. I don't know. We have to like, what did they just say? Well, some people probably feel like that with me too. I mean, I don't feel like my accent's as thick as it used to be, Southern. But saying things like milk and pie, it's like it's really heavy. Now, milk is a single syllable word, but I say milk. That's when I'm, you know, feeling like a real hit. And it comes and it goes, I guess. Alright, I'm going to turn this around enough. legs and thighs. Thighs are an amazing, amazing cut. They're so fatty though. I just love them. What else is going on? I'm still watching Raised by Wolves and Lovecraft Country. And I went back to a show on Netflix that I hadn't watched in a while. I had actually only seen the first season. And they have 4 seasons on Netflix now. The Van Helsing show. It's pretty good. There's a lot of action in it. I was like, yeah, I wonder what Vanessa's doing. And I'm already up to season 3. I'm like in the middle of season 3 already. And that's only been a few days, so I must be liking it. And I don't know what it is, but I still have not finished the last season available of Outlander. I was like, it just, I don't know, I was on a roll there. And it's like this last season, it's kind of dragging on for me. So I have not finished it, but I will eventually. I don't know, I've been easily distracted. Some more of my fries. And I got a biscuit too, but KFC's biscuits are kind of meh. More that drop of gravy. I'm gonna get a fresh one. Actually, no. Let me take them. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Hello, Coldy. Oh, that's that's what Foodie Beauty calls hers, is Coldy. Mine is Coldest. Senor Cold. Love them taters. Oh, I got myself 6 pieces out, but you know, I don't think I'm gonna eat more than. I think this is enough. It's 4 pieces. Oh, I'm starting to feel full. Man. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 Can now tell I don't really want this piece. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. We take break up. There we go. Mmm. 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 Oh Lord, nope. I can't eat no more. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Dang, KFC, why are you so salty today? Ooh. Well, it was good at first, and it just started to get to me. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Dang. Mm. Mm-hmm. Woo. Oh. More taters. Mm. Oh, I'm not feeling the kernel right now. Dang. Oh. Alright, you guys. I guess I'll call it quits. Thank you all for joining me. And I love you very much. And I will see you next time. Bye now.